This is WPS LED, WAN LED, LAN LED, Wi-Fi LED, and on the top there is the power LED. Also, what I like about this router is that it has two classic LAN ports for all devices, or whatever you need to connect with cable. That's it for the unboxing. Next video I'm going to show you how to install and use this router. It's very easy. I'll leave in the description links for this router from Aliexpress and Amazon if you want. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a nice comment. Thank you very much.